Is the VLC media player not opening MKV files on your computer? Or is it just crashing whenever you try to open them? No need to worry. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix this issue. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Solution 1. Disable hardware decoding in VLC. To do this, first open up VLC media player on your computer. Then click on Tools from the top bar. Next, click on Preferences from the drop-down menu. After that, switch to the Input/Codecs tab. Then choose Disable from the drop-down menu for hardware accelerated decoding. Lastly, click on Save. Now check if you can play MKV files with VLC or not. Solution 2. Select the proper video output API. For this one, open up VLC media player. Next, click on Tools from the top bar. Then click on Preferences from the drop-down menu. After that, switch to the Video tab. From here, click on this box next to Output and select Direct3D11 Video Output API from the drop-down menu. Then click on Save and check if the issue is fixed. If not, come to this section again, select OpenGL Video Output API and save these changes. Then check if MKV videos open in VLC or not. Solution 3. Update VLC media player. To do this, open up VLC media player again, then click on Help from the top bar and select Check for update from the drop-down menu. If there is an update, just download and install it. After that, the issue should be gone. So that's how you fix MKV file not opening issue in VLC player on your PC. If the video helped you sort out this problem, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. As always, thanks a million for watching.